He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of youthful charm, steady determination, and a vocal tone that continued to mature with every passing year, I.N didn't simply debut as the youngest member of Stray Kids. He built an identity of his own, transforming raw potential into one of the most promising careers in modern K-pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 8, 2001, in Busan, South Korea, I.N's journey began far from the massive concert arenas and global stages he would eventually conquer. Born as Yang Jong-in, he grew up in a supportive environment where he developed an early interest in music and performance. His natural curiosity, positive attitude, and willingness to work hard would eventually guide him toward the entertainment industry. As a teenager, he joined JYP Entertainment and entered one of the most demanding trainee systems in South Korea. The experience challenged him physically, mentally, and artistically. During these formative years, he focused on strengthening his vocal abilities, improving his stage presence, and adapting to the highly competitive world of K-pop. A major turning point arrived in 2017 when he participated in the survival program Stray Kids. Despite being among the youngest contestants, he demonstrated resilience and determination throughout the competition. His growth impressed both audiences and mentors, ultimately earning him a place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as the youngest member of Stray Kids. His voice quickly became an essential component of the group's evolving sound. Bright, expressive, and increasingly refined, his vocals added emotional balance to Stray Kids' energetic performances. As the group achieved international success through chart-topping albums, sold-out tours, and record-breaking achievements, I.N continued to mature as both a vocalist and performer. Over the years, his artistic development became one of the most noticeable within the group. Fans witnessed a remarkable transformation from a shy teenager into a confident entertainer capable of commanding major stages around the world. His consistent improvement highlighted a work ethic built on patience, discipline, and self-belief. By 2026, I.N is regarded as far more than simply the youngest member of Stray Kids. Industry observers recognize his vocal growth and stage confidence, while fans admire his sincerity and positive energy. His career reflects continuous evolution, proving that long-term dedication often creates the strongest foundation for success. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance and personal growth. He maintains a disciplined schedule that supports both physical health and artistic development. Whether practicing vocals, preparing for performances, or spending time with fellow members, he approaches his responsibilities with professionalism and maturity. His fashion presence has also gained significant attention. Known for his polished appearance and sophisticated style, I.N frequently showcases a blend of modern trends and classic elegance. His evolving image mirrors his personal journey, youthful yet increasingly refined with each passing year. While public interest often extends to his private life, he remains thoughtful about maintaining boundaries. Rather than focusing on unnecessary attention, he consistently places emphasis on personal improvement, music, and meaningful connections with fans. Those who work alongside him often describe him as respectful, hardworking, and genuinely appreciative of the opportunities he has received. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various entertainment projects. Beyond financial achievements, he has earned something equally valuable: credibility as an artist who continues to grow with every new chapter of his career. What many find most inspiring about I.N is his visible transformation. Fans have witnessed every stage of his development, from trainee to international performer. His journey serves as a reminder that growth is often built through consistency rather than instant success. I.N's story is defined by progress rather than shortcuts. From a young boy in Busan to a globally recognized K-pop star, his rise reflects perseverance, humility, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of growth, resilience, and the power of believing in one's potential. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a striking blend of precision, confidence, and explosive stage energy, Lisa didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. She engineered a presence so powerful that it redefined what a main dancer and global idol could represent. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born as LALISA Manobal on March 27, 1997, in Buram, Thailand, her journey began far from Seoul's polished entertainment industry. From an early age, she gravitated toward rhythm and movement, joining dance crews and immersing herself in hip-hop culture. Dance was not a side interest. It was her identity. She trained rigorously in Thailand, building sharp technique and stage confidence long before the global spotlight found her. At 14, she auditioned for YG Entertainment in Bangkok, becoming the only participant selected that year. Soon after, she relocated to South Korea, stepping into a new language, unfamiliar culture, and one of the most demanding trainee systems in the industry. The years that followed were defined by discipline. She refined her rap delivery, strengthened her vocals, mastered complex choreography, and developed multilingual fluency that would later support her international reach. In 2016, she officially debuted as the main dancer and lead rapper of BLACKPINK. The group's debut ignited immediate global interest, and Lisa's razor-sharp movements quickly became a signature element of their performances. Her dance breaks generated viral attention, and her commanding presence positioned her as one of the most recognized performers of her generation. Her performance style, fluid yet controlled, powerful yet precise, stood out on massive stages worldwide. As BLACKPINK expanded into international markets, headlining festivals and dominating charts, Lisa emerged as a cultural bridge, proudly representing Thailand while shaping global pop aesthetics. Her solo era marked a defining milestone. In 2021, she released her debut single album, LALISA. The title track broke multiple YouTube view records, while Money gained remarkable longevity on global streaming platforms. The project emphasized confidence, rhythmic intensity, and visual authority. Rather than remaining defined by group identity alone, she established a distinct solo brand rooted in performance dominance and bold individuality. By 2026, Lisa is regarded as a global performance icon. Industry professionals recognize her discipline and consistency, audiences admire her fearless stage command, and luxury brands view her as a powerful ambassador with worldwide influence. Her career reflects strategic positioning, balancing group achievements with solo expansion and international endorsements. Off-stage, her lifestyle blends playful charisma with structured focus. She maintains a demanding rehearsal schedule, prioritizes physical conditioning, and continues exploring creative outlets within dance and music. Despite global fame, she preserves an approachable energy that resonates strongly with fans. Her fashion identity mirrors her versatility. As a global ambassador for Celine and Bulgari, she transitions seamlessly from street-inspired silhouettes to refined couture. Whether attending Paris Fashion Week or appearing in editorial campaigns, she carries a confident ease that aligns with her stage persona. While public interest often surrounds her personal life, she remains selective about what she reveals, consistently redirecting attention toward her work and creative growth. Within the industry, she is described as hardworking, detail-oriented, and deeply committed to excellence. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects revenue from world tours, record-breaking solo releases, endorsements, and high-profile luxury collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has secured lasting global recognition and cultural impact. What many find remarkable is her relentless drive. Behind the confident performances lies years of disciplined repetition, self-belief, and the courage to move across borders in pursuit of opportunity. That determination quietly defines her trajectory. Lisa's journey is defined by elevation rather than comfort. From a young dancer in Burum to an international pop and fashion powerhouse, her rise reflects resilience, ambition, and calculated growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, dynamic, influential, and built for endurance. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.